Hey y'all, welcome back to Segments with Sibre. It's been so long, but y'all, today is July 8th, 2020, and even though we are somewhat out of the whole pandemic thing, you know, a pandemic is still going on. So y'all know I have to find a way to shop, and your girl then found another subscription. So this subscription is called Nailboxy, and I'm super excited because I have definitely been picking up my clientele with nails. I am still in nail school. Stay in tune for an update with that. But y'all, let's hop right into this unboxing and let's go. So if you haven't done so already, feel free to follow me on Instagram and follow me on my nail page. Those links will be down below. And let's just get this open. Okay. Ooh. Perfect. Okay, so it's no special seals or anything. Follow us on Instagram and feedback at nailboxy, hashtag blah blah blah. Okay. So when I open the box, this is what's inside. It lets me know that in here is a top coat, a Nailboxy exclusive gel color, a gold glitter gel color, a dew ice. I'm sorry for butchering this, y'all, but it's a glue gel for stones and sprinkles. It says nail forms, 80, 100 file, and 4 sprinkles. So I also have a code to get 20% off a $75 purchase. The handles here, so if you like anything, make sure you check them out. Let them know that Sibre sent y'all. Okay, so let's just hop into the goodies. Okay, y'all, so this is my first one. So this is a nail file. I love white files or zebra files. Okay, it's fine, regular file. I like the soft cushion on the inside. I guess these is what they call sprinkles. It's 4 of them. Let's open them up. See, I do like how these are in a separate bag because as you can see, some of them have already spilled out. Okay, this one I think is gonna be my favorite. And it's like palm trees in this, it looks like. I'm trying to make sure I get this picked up on camera. Okay, can y'all see this? Let me. Okay, I'm gonna try to pick one up with my finger. Uh-oh, I'm spilling them, y'all. I'm spilling them. Okay. But it's like a real chunky palm tree. It's so cute, though. Uh-oh. Let's just close this up. Okay, anyway, this doesn't have a name to it, and there are sprinkles everywhere. Okay. This one is just pretty. Of course, they're like iridescent, a nice gold shimmer. Now this I can see doing with like a milky white nail for some reason, just to bring that white out. And since the colors are so bold, or low-key even like mix this with some glow in the dark acrylic, that might be popping. These don't really have a shine to them, they're more so like cut up paper. Okay, now this is so cute. So this has pink and gold flakes in it. Now I do follow them on Instagram, and I think that the design that's on there has this in there, and this is so cute. This is going to be like a very pretty. I could use this with maybe Valentino Prettiest Pink for something nice. But look at that, that is so gorgeous. Okay, nail forms. Ooh, I love a good nail form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's only 5 of them. So what am I supposed to do? Just wait until I get 5 more so I can do one set? Like, that's ridiculous. Oh, come on, y'all. Y'all could at least put 10 in here. You don't gotta give me a whole roll, but at least 10, please. Okay, this is in the shade Nailboxy. This is a LED UV soak off gel polish. This low-key would go with, you know, one of these. We can make it work. But let's see. Oh, that is so pretty. So pretty. Okay. This is a glitter. Okay, I kind of got a little idea in mind. And they do have a design contest going on. So I'm going to do a few designs. I am challenging my inner freestyle. and see how this works. So this is a no wipe top coat. You can always use one. Okay, I'll probably cure this for 90 seconds. It says 30 seconds, but I like a little extra security, but no extra baking. Oh, it's nice and got like a little something on my brush, but okay, y'all, I'm pretty satisfied. This was $30 or $29.99. This seems really light. Okay. Got a lot of scratches on here, so I don't really know what that's about. That's not really aesthetically pleasing to me. Okay, but it is sealed, so I do feel good about that. Okay, here we go. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You can't really see, but it's like an opaque, clear-ish color. It's kind of runny, but that'll work. And I believe that's everything, y'all. So here's my little palm tree. But let me know what y'all think about today's unboxing. Let me know if there's any other nail subscription boxes out there. And I am going to also do a video. I'm actually not going to do a video, but I might do a video. Anyway, y'all, let me know what y'all think. I am going to maybe post a freestyle set with these items that today, just so I can see how they work. I've actually never heard of this brand before, but I can dig it. So make sure you follow down below. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to comment down below. And thank y'all so much for watching. Peace.